Two AI coding assistants. One goal, helping you write better code faster. Today we're comparing Cursor, a fast-growing AI-powered code editor, with Amazon's CodeWhisperer, a tool built for developers working in real production environments. If you're deciding which one to trust with your projects, this breakdown will help. Let's dive in. First, we have Cursor, a standalone AI code editor built on top of Visual Studio Code. Cursor offers built-in AI assistance that lets you highlight code and ask for explanations, refactor blocks, instantly debug with context, and hold multi-step conversations with your code. It supports popular languages like JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, and more. The layout is familiar and fast. Since it's based on VS Code, the learning curve is low, and everything happens in a single interface. No browser switching or API wrangling. Next up, CodeWhisperer by Amazon. Unlike Cursor, CodeWhisperer is not a full code editor. It's an AI assistant that integrates directly into IDEs like Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, and AWS Cloud 9. Its core strength is real-time code suggestion, similar to GitHub Copilot. You get inline completions as you type, plus security scans and context-aware snippets based on your project and language. It supports multiple languages, including Python, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, and infrastructure as code tools like Terraform. And if you work with AWS services, CodeWhisperer integrates tightly with IAM roles, SDKs, and AWS-specific best practices, something Cursor doesn't offer. Let's break down the differences that matter most. First, how you use them. Cursor is a full editor. You download it and start coding. CodeWhisperer is a plugin. It sits inside your current IDE like VS Code or IntelliJ. Second, AI support. Cursor lets you chat with your code, fix bugs, refactor, or debug problems with full context. CodeWhisperer only provides suggestions while you type. It's fast, but not as flexible. Third, AWS support. This is where CodeWhisperer stands out. If you're building with AWS services, it gives you smart code tailored to AWS SDKs and tools. Cursor, on the other hand, is cloud agnostic, good for general development, but without cloud-specific help. And lastly, security. CodeWhisperer scans your code for security risks in real time. Cursor doesn't include that, at least not yet. So which one should you choose? Use Cursor if you want an all-in-one AI editor with deep code understanding and flexibility. Use CodeWhisperer if you're already working in VS Code, especially with AWS, and just want fast, reliable suggestions with added security. Let me know your pick in the comments. And if there's another AI tool you want to see compared, this is Somtoo Reviews It. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.